Myself Suresh Kumar. I am the Director of Dynamic Institute of Physics, Latur. But many students, they feel difficult, this graph related concept. What is the use of graph? How to solve the problems, this graph related? The students first they feel difficult. So graph, that type of problems are very difficult. I will give very simple and easy solution in each situation. But it is useful for you. So the graph, what is the use of graph? What is the application of graph? First one, application of graph, that is main application is simple understanding. Graph का main use is simple understanding. And the second use, more information shows in less space. More information shows in less space. And third use, find out the imaginary values. And the fourth use, show the relation between physical quantities, shows the relation between physical quantities, not only physical quantities, any quantities, shows the relation between physical quantities in physics, or comparison between two quantities. So comparison also कर सकता है. That means the graphs. So graph main use is simple understanding. More information shows less space. Find out the imaginary values. Shows the relation between the physical quantities and comparison. These are the uses of graph. Okay, how to? So we identified a simple understanding. So graph use it to how to observe this simple understanding. So example, one cricket graph is given. So cricket graph, that is graph between India versus Australia. In this graph, first batting India, second batting Australia. So runs take it on y-axis, overs take it on x-axis. Runs on y-axis, overs on x-axis. So this is first 10 overs, 20 over, 30 over, and 40 and 50. And runs, 50 runs, 100, 150, 200 and 250. Runs take it on y-axis, overs take it on x-axis. So the graph is, so like this is two curved graphs. So the curved graph is like this. Here, so this is India versus Australia. So example of this graph, any student easily give the result. What is that result? Suppose which country won this match. So that means simple understanding. Just we observe this graphs, given that India won this match. That means simple understanding purpose, this graph use it to simple understanding. And second, more information shows in less space. That means, suppose to write the total information. It is one-day match. India versus Australia. And second, in Indian batting, out of 50 overs, India done 250 plus runs. And second batting, out of 50 overs, Australia done only 150 plus runs, 150 runs. India loses 3 wickets. India loses 3 wickets. Australia loses. There are 6 wickets. The partnership of first batting. So partnership of Indian first wicket. This partnership around this is 100, 120 first partnership. So 150, so around 120 runs. Australia first partnership is 50 runs. So India loses first wicket at 15th over. Australia loses the first wicket at 15th over. That means more information shown in a less space using this graph to show more information. And again, so this is the use of second. And third one, find out the imaginary values. In next 10 overs, that means 50 to 60. Next 10 overs, India got 300 runs. Australia got this is 150 runs. That means, so find out the imaginary values, next 10 overs. That means imaginary values also to find out. So this is the use of third. And fourth one, to show the relation between physical quantities or any quantities between relation. Show the relation between the quantities. That means runs and overs between a relation. And comparison of 2 countries runs. Comparison of 2 countries runs. So that means this is the use of fourth one. That means graph use. So we observed so easily. That means one is simple understanding. Another more information shows in a less space. Find out the imaginary values. Show the relation between the physical quantities and comparison. In graphs, there are 3 main parts are there in a physics. First one, tabular form. So in tabular form, x and y. What is the variable quantities? One is x variable, another one is y variable. Y depends upon x. Y depends upon x. So x value varied, then y also varied. So this is first part is tabular form. And second part is graphical form. Graphical form. So x and y axis. X is, this is independent axis. Y is dependent axis. Man and earth. Man is dependent on earth. That means y is dependent on earth. Earth is like x axis it is. X is independent. Man is dependent. Without x, without earth, man not possible. Without man, earth is possible. That means x is possible. X is independent. Independent axis. Y is dependent axis. So one is independent axis, another one is dependent axis. Independent variables take it on independent axis. Independent variables take it on independent axis. Dependent variables take it on dependent axis, y-axis. Y is dependent. It is nothing but vertical axis. So this is horizontal. So it is a horizontal axis. Horizontal axis is independent axis. Vertical axis are dependent axis. Dependent variable take it on dependent axis or y-axis. This is the second one. First one is tabular form, second one is graphical form, third one is analytical form. Analytical form means this is mathematical form. This graph shown which type of mathematical equation. Example, so mathematical equation. Example, so y equals to mx or y equals to kx square. That means y and x between the relation. Y and x between the relation, that is indicates this mathematical equation. This is called analytical form. There are three parts in this graph. So any graph, not only this. One is tabular form, graphical form and analytical form. Tabular form, x and y, x values are changes, then y also changes. So this is x and y, this is take it on a one tabular form. So this is the tabular form and graphical form. So graphical form, there are two axes are there. Then one is independent axis. That is nothing but a horizontal axis. X is independent, y is dependent. So x and y. So independent variable take it on x axis, dependent variable take it on y axis. The relation of equation. So that is x and y between the relation, that is indicates mathematical equation. This is called analytical form. So this is the first. Directly proportional, this is the equation. It is y and x between the relation y proportionals to x. Directly proportional. Y dependent axis depends upon independent axis. Y proportionals to x. Y equals to mx. So this is the analytical form or mathematical form. This related tabular form. Tabular form is x becomes 0, y becomes 0, x becomes 1, y becomes, this is also m, x becomes 2, y becomes 2m. This condition, what is the shape of this equation? The shape of the equation is straight line passing through origin. X becomes 0, y becomes 0, x becomes 1, y becomes m, x2, y becomes 2m. The equation is straight line passing through origin. So this is the equation. This equation, the slope of this graph, tan theta. Tan theta indicates, tan theta is, this is slope of this graph. Tan theta indicates y upon x. Tan theta equals to y upon x. This is y, this is x. This is the, so directly proportional. Example, displacement and time graph. Example, ST graph and VT graph. Here, ST graph and VT graph. What is the shape of this ST graph and VT graph? So ST graph and VT graph. Displacement and time graph. When displacement take it on y-axis, time take it on x-axis. So velocity remains constant. That means uniform velocity. This case. When time changes, displacement also changes. Directly proportional. S proportional to t. S is equals to V into t. It is like y equals to m into x. M, slope indicates. Here slope indicates the graph. Slope indicates a straight line passing through origin. Slope indicates S upon T. This is tan theta. Its tan theta value equals to S upon T. Its value becomes velocity. So slope indicates velocity. Again, VT graph, V and T graph, the value between V, take it on y-axis, time take it on x-axis. The shape of the graph, when time 0, V also 0. Uniform accelerated motion, acceleration remains constant. So uniform accelerated motion, the graph is a straight line passing through origin. This case, the slope indicates tan theta equals to opposite y upon x, its value becomes velocity upon time. This is nothing but acceleration. Here the area of this graph, area is write as of base into height. Base is time, height indicates velocity, area indicates that is nothing but displacement. This is a VT graph. VT graph, the slope indicates this is acceleration, area indicates that is displacement. In linear equation, like y equals to mx plus c. Here m indicates slope, c indicates y-intercept. The tabular form, x becomes 0, y becomes c. X becomes 1, y becomes m plus c. X becomes 2, this is 2m plus c. So the mathematical equation y equals to mx plus c. This is not passing through origin, x0 but y becomes c. This is the shape of this graph is straight line but not passing through origin, x becomes 0, then the shape of the graph is straight line not passing through origin. This is so y and x axis, the shape of the graph is this. This is linear equation. Example, this linear equation ka example, v equals to u plus at. V, velocity take it on y axis and time take it on x axis. So this is write as y equals to mx plus c. C indicates y-intercept, that is indicates initial velocity here. Initial velocity, and acceleration, this is indicates slope. Slope is indicates acceleration. C intercept, y-intercept indicates initial velocity. This is the linear equation. In this linear equation, y equals to mx plus c. If c is negative, the equation equals to y equals to mx minus c. This is the shape of this graph is not passing through origin, but the graph is starts from negative. This is negative value, this is minus c, but it is straight line. The shape of the graph is this is y, this is x. When x is 0, y becomes minus c. Y equals to mx minus c it is. Photoelectric effect में the graph, frequency and kinetic energy graph, this is photoelectric effect में this is the graph. Again, y equals to mx plus c, where slope becomes, if m is negative, slope becomes negative, y equals to minus mx plus c. What is the shape of this graph? This graph is negative slope. Negative slope means the slope is decreasing. That means x value 0, but y becomes plus c. X value 0, y becomes plus c it is. X value is 1, y equals to minus m plus c. This is slope is negative. So negative slope, this is tan theta is, theta becomes more than 90 and less than 180. Then tan theta, its value is between. So it is negative value. So tan theta is negative. This is the slope. So this slope is a negative slope it is. So negative slope y equals to mx minus c. So this is minus mx plus c it is. Tan theta is negative. The shape of the graph is this. Suppose y equals to mx plus c if m also negative and c also negative. What is the shape of this graph?
M and C both negative, the graph is, so C value also negative, this is minus C, and slope also negative, then this graph is, this is a straight line not passing through origin. Y becomes X value and Y value. X value is using negative values. X value negative, then Y also negative after it is positive. This is, suppose X value positive, that condition Y becomes a negative. X value positive, then Y becomes negative. This is the shape of the graph. VT graph, velocity and time graph. We want the distance and displacement traveled by body in 5 seconds. 5 seconds में distance and displacement. That means, so initially this is the starting velocity is maximum. Velocity decreases. This is the so one body. This body is moving. Starting the velocity becomes 40. This velocity decreases to 20. So velocity decreases to 20 meter per second. Starting में 40 meter per second, after 20. So then after it is moving constant velocity. This is constant velocity. That means velocity is continuously same velocity, constant velocity, constant. Here velocity decreases. So that means acceleration is negative, decelerated motion. Here velocity constant. Then after velocity continuously decreases to 0. Then after velocity, here also 20 meter per second. After velocity continuously decreases to 0. Velocity decreases. Velocity decreases, acceleration becomes a negative. The body getting 0 velocity. After this body is come back. This body is come back means direction is negative. So here the velocity moving like this, at present the body come back. So come back with again its velocity is 20 meter per second. So starting from rest, here the velocity becomes 0 but increases. This is accelerated motion. Positive velocity increases but opposite direction. This is the entire this graph meaning. Meaning of this graph is this. But we want distance and displacement. So distance चाहिए. Distance means from starting position to up to ending position. The addition of this total value. Addition of this total value indicates this is the distance from starting position to ending position. From A position to up to Z position. A to Z. This total position indicates a distance. And the displacement from A to, suppose this is the position is P. A to P, this is positive, and P to Z, this is negative. That means AP minus PZ, that is displacement. Distance write as, distance is write as A to Z. The total value is the distance. And displacement write as A to P minus opposite direction. So displacement is write as displacement, this is, so A to P minus P to Z, this is a displacement. This is the distance and this is displacement. So how to calculate? You know that in this graph, the area of VT graph, graph indicates distance or displacement, AT. So VT graph ka area indicates displacement. Area of this small triangle, this triangle area, the triangle area plus, this is one square part, a square part area, again this is one square part area, again this is one triangle area. Again this is reverse direction में one triangle. This is indicates the area of this total. So first a triangle area of base into height. Base is, this is 2 and height is 20. Only this height. This height is 20. Base into height plus triangle. This is 2 into 20. 2 into 20. This is one rectangle. And next another rectangle, this is 1, gap is 1, and this is height becomes, this is width is 20 into 1. And next this is triangle, a triangle height becomes 20, height becomes 20, and this is base equals to 1, half base into a height, plus this remaining, this triangle height is 20 and base equals to 1. So this is half base into a height. The addition of these values, this is indicates that is distance. The distance becomes 20 plus 40 plus 20 plus 10 plus 10. The total distance becomes 100, it is 100 meter. This is the distance. And displacement means subtraction. यहाँ तक add करना पड़ेगा. After it is subtracting, that means up to here addition, and after this last part is subtraction. AP minus PZ, A to P minus P to Z. This value becomes, so this is same, 20 plus 40 plus 20 plus 10 minus 10. Then displacement becomes, its value becomes, so it is, this value is cancelled, 80 meter is the distance.